How about you? I'm Hank. Welcome to Hamiltonville Farm. Man, I'm telling you, I broke my doggone box blade. You know, that Mahindra 4540 was pulling along, got caught on the stump, and it snapped it like a daggum toothpick. So let's take a look at it right quick. Let me show y'all where it broke. Look at that. That's crazy, ain't it? It broke it right there where the A-frame goes onto the actual support brace that holds the pin. So there's a weak link right above that gusset there. Let me show it to you one more time. You can see right here, we're gonna have to replace this whole flat bar right above the gussets there. Nothing that we can't fix, but there's a lot of torque that there's a lot of torque, man, when that Mahindra 4540 caught that stump with that doggone thing. And so, you know, the tractor kept going and the box blade didn't. And so hence the breakage there. But we can get it fixed, no big problem. But, you know, I really need a box blade that's going to stand up to the terrain that we've got here, to the really rough conditions that we pull it around. And so that box blade is really not good enough for what we need for here on Hamiltonville Farm. So eventually I'm going to be looking for another box blade that's built better and can kind of more heavy duty to withstand the stuff that I know I'm going to be putting it through here at our place. That thing, look at that, got caught. That broke that. Man, that's crazy. Snapped it like a toothpick, what I'm saying. I think, look at that, right there. I'm gonna have to replace that for sure. It got caught on this stump right here. Well, I guess I need to do some welding. Here you can see a little better shot of it. That's crazy. So we gotta fix that. Hey, the good thing about it is, I called up my buddy Brando and was like, man, you ain't gonna believe what happened, and I tore this doggone box blade up. And he was like, dude, send me a picture of it. So I sent him a picture of it, and he was like, bring it over, we'll weld it back up. That's why I've loaded it into the truck, because I'm gonna run it over to his house, we'll get it welded up, and she'll be back in business. I made it over here to the Hamiltonville Farm Maintenance Annex, and so me and Brando are gonna take care of this box blade and get her back onto the tractor. All right, this is the part we're gonna fix here. Brando's got the part that broke off. So we're gonna, basically we're gonna sister another piece of flat bar to it, and then, you know, fix the weld, or fix it where we can weld it up, and then go from there. That should handle it. It ain't, like I say, it ain't the end of the world. Right?
Yep, absolutely. It'll work real well. So these are called transfer punches. Anytime that you have a hole that you want to replicate, just put it in the hole and then strike it with a hammer. And then there you go, there's your hole. So we can go ahead and mark it a little bit deeper with another center punch and go ahead and drill it. professional welder. My weld versus Hank's weld.
Hey, I think it works like it's brand new, right? Hey, in this box right here, you can watch more videos of us doing some box blade work. And above that's a white circle. You can click on that to subscribe to our page. We appreciate you. You guys take care. We'll catch you on the next one.